My name is Derek Salamanca, and today we're going to the Slip and Fly in Tijuana, Mexico. And I'm going with my worst enemy, Mike Cashin. The slide is about 40 feet tall and 100 feet long, and it is so fast that you have to go down on your forearms to keep your face from smashing into the ramp as it goes up. And we saw a couple of people do that.
Dude, that guy hit his face too.
The scary part about the slide is not the actual jump. It's sliding down towards the jump. Because when you're going at it, it looks like you're just going to crash into a wall, and you're going so fast. Once you're in the air, everything's fine, unless it's somehow sideways or upside down or something.
I am scared. Hope you hurt yourself. Don't die! Mike Cashin, ladies and gentlemen, the man of the hour. He's a slip and fly professional. He also does rope courses and a little bit of rappelling or zip lining, whatever you call it. Here he is in his element. Oh shit. Oh! Damn! Oh!
They do have lifeguards on both sides of the pool, and as soon as somebody lands wrong, they automatically dive in just in case they're messed up. And a lot of people do land wrong.
You got my abs, right, though? They're somewhere there. The camera picked that up.
We learned pretty quickly that it's almost impossible to keep your camera steady because when you hit that up part of the ramp, there's so much G-force that your whole body gyrates and your camera shakes. That's why a lot of our footage is bad. It's not our fault, I promise.
Me and Mike are gonna go side by side and die together. Oh, fuck!
I am actually going to do a full video of the entire park because it is worth it to go to the whole thing. The link for that will be in the description below, as well as any other park information that you're going to want to know. If I didn't answer any questions, feel free to message me or shoot me a comment. I always answer them. Again, my name's Derek Salamanca. Also, check out the Wanted Digest. I put the link below. Mike Cashin, I don't know why I went with you. I hate you.